Hey guys, Buffalo here, and I've made a mistake. And not the obvious one of wearing a life jacket that's about 2 sizes too small, but I've left my paddle back here at the bank. I've launched my kayak without it. But what I do have is my handy dandy shotgun. So what I'm going to try to do is use the recoil from the shotgun to push my boat, my kayak, back to the bank so that I can retrieve my paddle. Let's see how this works out. I am, for those of you that always ask what I'm using on these videos, this time I'm using Winchester Super Steel, which is a non-toxic lead alternative. And the reason I'm using that is I am on a waterway here, but I'm not going to be shooting into the water. I'm shooting into the bank up here. Ah, we're moving. Try to drive us. Wow, we're scooting. That worked a lot better than I thought it would. Guys, that was interesting. Might not want to try that one at home, just saying. I do got my paddle now, so I'll be on my way. I'll talk with you guys again soon.